Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to email videos that is too large. So we're gonna start right away. If the video is too large, you can upload it into Google Drive. As I have this video which is 300 megabytes and the limit of the video size on email is 25 megabytes. After I uploaded the video into Google Drive, now copy the link by hit on the three dots. Make sure that you adjust the video for anyone can access the video with the link. After you copy the link, now go to email and then paste that link into the mail that you want to share to anyone. So this is how you share large video size by email. Thank you for watching. Please hit like and subscribe.